Kicking off our weekend with a bit of snow, Jeremy.
Bit of snow to kick off the first day of winter, which is tomorrow, Scott. We're just a few hours away at this point. Winter begins officially at 4:21 a.m. So we'll start off winter with snow on the ground and cold air basically flooding in from Canada, with highs only in the 20s for your Saturday and for your Sunday too. And those feels like temperatures, boy, we don't even want to talk about those, down in the negative values. But right now I do want to show you what it looks like live in the scoop. We got some accumulating snow on those rooftops in Pottsville, but not too much on those roads, still melting on the roads. And there's a live view right now from our rooftop camera at 81, both north and southbound. Looks like they're moving pretty smoothly. Just make sure you're driving with a little bit more caution, as these snowflakes can pretty much accumulate on your windshield pretty quickly and cause some reduced visibility. We're just 5 days away from both Christmas and the first day of Hanukkah. They fall on the same day this year. This is the first time it's happened since 2005, so nearly 20 years that we haven't had the simultaneous celebrations of both Hanukkah and Christmas, just 5 days away. And many people enjoying their time right before Christmas, snow tubing there on Blue Mountain. We got the awesome light show that they go along with it too. Current temperature right now, 29 degrees. Winds are calm, and today and tomorrow are pretty much the shortest days of the year. Tomorrow we only have 9 hours or so of daylight. So if you're a person who likes to get their chores or errands done, or maybe holiday shopping done in the daylight, remember, you don't have too much time tomorrow. Between 7:30 and 4:30 is when it'll be bright. Calm winds right now, but that'll change as we head into the day tomorrow. If you have any inflatables up in your backyard like we do, make sure they're hunkered down, because the winds are going to be gusting tomorrow. So all of the things that you have here, the Hample House and Summit Hill, make sure they are drilled into the ground, because they'll be blowing around tomorrow. Thank you so much for sending this in. I love what you did with your house. It looks like nobody around you really decorated for Christmas, so you stole the show there on your street. Thanks for sending that in from Summit Hill. We have a winter weather advisory in effect for Carbon and Monroe counties, highest elevations of those areas. Mount Pocono over 1,500 feet. That's where we can see 2 to 3 inches of snow, if not maybe approaching 4 inches of snow in some spots. Also for the northern tier, where the snow has been pretty constant. Susquehanna County, northern Wayne County, up near Honesdale, maybe 2 to 3 inches possible once it's all said and done too. We have this low pressure system taking shape right off of the coast, kind of intensifying and organizing. It skirted its way across the northern part of the United States, but now that it's off the coast, it's funneling in some of that moisture from the ocean, not only onto Cape Cod, but here back into central and northeastern Pennsylvania. So we'll continue to see snow showers from Williamsport east towards Pike and Wayne counties until around midnight, before it dies down after 3:30 or 4 o'clock. We could even see a lingering flurry by sunrise. Then the clouds start to decrease, which is good, because we need that sunshine to feel a little bit warm tomorrow. Temperatures only in the 20s, but it will feel like the teens and single digits pretty much all day. So although it'll be sunny at some points, it will be very cold. Similar story for your Sunday. Lots of sunshine, but those winds will be gusting out of the northwest at 25 miles per hour, and it will feel cold. Snowfall amounts, probably another inch or two, especially the further north and east you go. Down through the Poconos, we could even pick up an additional inch or inch and a half. There's a look at your weekend forecast. Tomorrow's the first day of winter. We have those AM flurries very, very early in the morning. Then they get kicked out, and the winds and the cold come on in. And that'll stick with us through Sunday, Monday, even into Tuesday. We might not even break the freezing mark. There are your wind gusts tomorrow, up to 36 miles per hour on our hilltops in the Poconos. And then as we go into Sunday, still windy, gusting up to 25 miles per hour. And that will make it feel tomorrow like the single digits and teens across the region. And then tomorrow evening into the morning on Sunday, the feels like temperatures, they're just downright frigid. Feeling like negative 17 in Mount Pocono and Forest City. There's your 7-day forecast, still in the 20s for Monday. Then we're watching a system that'll come in on Christmas Eve, could put down another coating of snow, and then we can call it a white Christmas as we head into Wednesday. No actual flakes falling out of the sky, Scott, on Wednesday, which again is the first day of Hanukkah and Christmas. But if there's snow on the ground, I consider it a white Christmas. What do you think?
I think if you do, Jeremy, I do as well.
All right, so I'm glad we're on the same wave with that.
You're the expert. We'll see you tonight. Thanks.
Yep.